Guys, we're about to hit our 1,000 subscribers. Oh, don't break a light! Oh my god! We got 1,000. We're at 998 right now. We know what's gonna happen. We're so excited. So we're taking you along with us for this magical moment when we hit 1,000. For those of you who don't know, 1,000 is when you can get monetized on YouTube. You also need 4,000 watch hours. We passed that a long time ago. We have like almost 12,000 watch hours. We just been waiting on our 1,000 subscribers. So glad you all are watching this video. Come along with us while we hit 1,000. Erin is somewhere getting dressed for y'all.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV. Alright, this is our YouTube channel monetization page. Okay, that's how many watch hours we have right now. We got 998 subscribers. Come on, guys. Right now it is 7:15. Let's see how long it takes. There you are.
Hi.
I've been waiting for you.
For what? Oh, that we're almost to 1,000 subscribers?
Yes.
Pretty exciting. It's been less than 3 months, so we just have to thank all of you for subscribing and sharing our videos with your friends and family. You've helped us do it, so we appreciate it. It means the world to us.
Thank you. So we've been counting down our subscribers every day on our calendar. Don't mind all the other stuff that's written on there, but this morning we had 970. So hoping we get that 1,000 mark today. Yes, we're gonna do it. Did it happen yet? Did it happen yet? Did it happen yet?
Nope.
Darn. It's 999.
One more, baby. Who's
One more.
gonna be lucky number
Yes,
one?
lucky
I wish we knew.
Yeah, if you're a subscriber number 1,000, please comment on this video so we know. That's a fun. What's it called?
Something.
Fun something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We found out who our 100th subscriber was, so it'll be fun if we can find out our thousands. Because 100 was our first goal.
Woo.
Then 500, and then
1,000. What's our goal after 1,000?
I don't know.
10,000.
I guess so.
Ooh, can we do it?
It's gonna take a while. Help us out.
Yes.
Thank you again so much. I can't believe it. You guys are amazing, and we appreciate each and every one of you, honestly, from the bottom of our hearts.
Yeah.
It means the world that
Thank you guys
you're
so
enjoying
much.
what we're doing.
I'm
crying a little bit. I'm a little teary.
Don't cry. Well, it was 7:15. Now it's only 7:18. It only took 3 minutes to get those few extra subscribers we needed.
Thank you guys.
Less than 3 months.
Hold
3
on,
months
one-
would have been this week.
Hold
Oh,
on one
don't
second.
cry. Erin's doing her happy dance. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. Yay! What do you have in the freezer? I don't know anything about what she's about to take out. Some broccoli. Oh my god, she went to the store earlier. I did not even know you bought that.
Champagne.
Let's do it.
No, I've had this. I've been waiting. I've had it in the cabinet. I was waiting for it, and then once stuff started happening today, I was like, I think I should put it in the freezer.
Yes.
So we're gonna be cheersing.
Yes, let's do it. Do you guys care that we hit 1,000? Hello? No? Nothing? Not even a tail wag?
What about cheese? All they care about is cheese.
We hit 1,000 babies! Yay! You get to eat next week.
Cheers to 1,000.
Pop the bottle! Don't break a light! Oh my god!
That's appropriate.
Oh god, is it your first day?
I think so.
You weren't a bartender or anything, were you? Yay, so happy. Cheers!
Cheers.
Happy
Thank you.
1,000.
Thank you again, guys. I don't even know what to say. I'm so thankful and so appreciative. And thank you for all of your editing expertise. Kim is the reason the videos look so good. So.
And Erin's the talent. Well, where would we be without her dancing?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, guys.
Woo! wanna dance with? You wanna dance? Yeah! You're so cute, man. Yeah!
We got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. We got 1,000. Says our 1,000. Yippee!
Hit apply now.
Now I can hit apply. Process takes a while, but soon we'll be able to make very little off our YouTube videos rather than making nothing.
Now that we've hit our 1,000 subscribers and we're able to monetize, which means there will be ads in our videos from now on. Sorry about that. But this way we'll be able to do more fun adventures and go in depth more places for all of you. So thank you again.
Now that we hit our goal,
What do we do now?
what's for dinner?
Let's go out to dinner and celebrate.
We did that last night.
Oh. Uber Eats?
How about you get your butt in the kitchen? What do you think, we're rich or something?
True. We haven't started making that chump change yet.
What you making for me for dinner?
I'm attempting to make some zucchini fries in the air fryer, which I've never made before. So basically I got some zucchini, diced it up into french fry size, dabbed it with paper towels to get rid of some of the moisture, and then I made my little coating, which is Parmesan cheese, almond flour, and some seasoning. And then I beat an egg. So basically I'm gonna dredge them in the egg, coat them in the little almond flour Parmesan cheese coating, and put them in the air fryer, and we'll see how they turn out.
Delicious low carb treat.
Hopefully.
Since I had a milkshake last night and carbs. We're being good today.
Yes, we always try to be good at home, you know, when we're not doing reviews for you guys. So it's called balance.
Yes.
I guess. I don't know.
We need balance.
We try. We try.
We got 1,000 subscribers, Erin! Woo! We're still excited. Still partying it up, drinking our champagne. But it's really a crazy feeling. Seriously, thank you guys.
So you got one hand for the egg mixture. Shake off the excess. Drop it in the coating, and another hand for coating it. So that way you don't get so much egg droop in your batter, in your coating, so it doesn't get super lumpy. And then shake off the excess. And I just cut a little piece of parchment paper to fit the bottom of the air fryer just so it doesn't stick. Our air fryer tends to stick a little bit. But yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yippee! What else are we having?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Ooh, yummy.
Maybe
I
make it
feel
outside.
like chicken tonight.
We might cook it outside. I haven't decided yet.
Ooh, you guys want to go outside? Let's go see what it looks like. What's happening out here?
Cody wants to come.
Cody, want to go outside? Alrighty. What's happening out here? I've been editing it all day. I haven't even been outside really. It's looking pretty nice. You want to come outside? Alright, let's hang outside. It's nice out tonight, baby. Already I set up the Blackstone for Erin so she can cook our chicken here on the flat top grill. The babies are hanging out with us outside. Beautiful night here in Tennessee. We're losing daylight.
I got my jerk marinated chicken.
Ooh, yes.
Going down. They're chicken breasts.
Looks so yummy. It's a lot of chicken.
For all our guests coming.
You mean Zach and Cody?
Yeah.
I think this may be a little spicy for them. Yummy good chicken. Love this Blackstone grill. It's awesome. Who's ready for some chicken tonight? I really wish it wasn't 80 degrees outside because I would love to start us a fire. But tonight it is exceptionally warm. There's the mountains for you there. Gorgeous. Guys, I am gonna do like a full tour video of this RV park that we're at. Tons of people are asking the name, and we will be out of here soon enough. So we'll let everybody know. For safety reasons, it's warm tonight.
Yeah, but we just opened the door to come out to see if we're gonna cook. I felt like a blanket of heat just smacked you in the face.
Yeah.
It's normally like low 70s.
Yeah, right now it's low 80s.
It's 80s tonight, so maybe not the best idea to be outside. But hey.
It's beautiful out still.
Exactly. We'll stay out here until we get eaten alive by bugs.
Yay for summer and bugs. Here's our jerk chicken. Aaron flipped it. It's cooking up nicely. Looks so delicious. Yummy. Steamy hot chicken right off the grill.
Smells
Yummy
amazing.
jerk seasoning. It really smells
really good.
delicious. It's steaming in your face. You get a facial.
I'll take it.
Ooh, and here's the zucchini fries.
First
Looks
round.
yummy. Got some ranch?
Yes.
So, I found the cork from our champagne bottle, so I'm gonna write our 1,000 subscribers on it, so we have a little memento that we can save.
I love that idea.
Okay, so here it is. 1,000 subscribers. KNERV TV. Yay. We'll keep it forever. Is anybody excited yet? Nobody cares.
Only if you say cheese. Not even cheese? There he is.
Did you say cheese?
Did you say cheese?
Did you say steak? So I found this little screw and hook thingy in my toolbox. So now we can hang it wherever we want to. Where you want to hang it? He's gonna hang out in the corner over here with our celebratory Mickey Mouse.
Alright, so for you watching your calories, maybe, I do low carb mimosa style. And it's basically your champagne, because champagne is actually pretty low carb. And then I use this sparkling ice. And this is the pink grapefruit, which is really good.
So instead of orange juice, it has a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah,
We use
they
this
have
instead.
they have a citrus flavor too, which would probably be great for mimosas or any really mixed drinks, because most liquors are very low in carbs, so better than a beer actually.
Yes,
So,
for sure.
just in case, and it's pretty.
It is. It's our delicious dinner, the jerk chicken with an Alfredo sauce on top and some Parmesan cheese and some ranch and our zucchini fries to share. Looks delicious, Erin.
You're welcome.
Thank you. She was supposed to say you're welcome. I said thank you. Thanks, Erin.
You're welcome. Going in on the zucchini fries I made in the air fryer. They look pretty good. They're coated in Parmesan cheese, almond flour, and some seasoning. So I'm gonna dip it in ranch, because ranch makes everything better.
Yes, it does.
Even pizza. I know that's a hot topic.
I love ranch and pizza. Are they good? Can I help you? Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? He picked his head up over there too. Look at Cody.
They're waiting for us.
No
to
food
drop
for
it.
you.
Wait.
Cody did eat a zucchini earlier though, without all the stuff on it. Ooh, the chicken. Is it spicy?
I
Yeah.
think you can handle it though.
Yeah. Good spice.
I'm teaching her to move up in her spice scale.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
It's good.
Going in on my chicken with my Alfredo sauce. It's a little spicy. Okay. It's a lot spicy. It's spicy, Erin.
Is it too much?
Probably gonna be because that was only one bite.
I think it's good.
Ooh, I can do it. I can do it. It's delicious. Is there cheese on here, right? Parmesan cheese?
and almond flour.
Parmesan cheese and almond flour. It's really good. It has a nice, good, cheesy crunch to it.
That's the Parmesan, definitely. Like.
No, you could definitely taste it. Definitely helps with the spiciness of the jerk chicken.
You told me to step up my spice game, and I did.
Too much. Erin, that was good.
It was so good.
Delicious. It wasn't as spicy as I said it was at the beginning.
I think certain bites had a little more jerk
More
than other bites.
jerk than others, but yeah, it was really good. Especially I had the sauce and the ranch, so it made it all good.
And I'll definitely make those zucchini fries again.
Cody, what did you
They were
think?
So good.
Did you like those zucchini fries, Cody? Yeah, you want some more? They were really good. They got the last one.
And we're watching one of our favorite vloggers, JoJo's World.
Disney World. All we watch is Disney vlogs.
I can't wait till we make it back to Disney, and we'll vlog for you guys there. And I'm excited
Yes,
for that.
we will.
Because we've never vlogged at Disney.
Yeah, we
Even though
know.
we've lived there numerous times.
We know a lot about Disney, so we will get there to vlog it.
Promise.
Don't you worry.
Promise.
That's one promise we will not break. For dessert,
Ice cream?
you have anything? Ice cream? See what we got. So for dessert, we have our Halo Top Creamery keto ice cream.
The little ice cream bars.
Tiny carbs, big taste, all keto.
This one's broken.
Broken.
gotta eat the
Oh
chocolate.
no. What kind is this? Chocolate cheesecake?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, and it's got chocolate coating all the way around it.
They're so good.
Yummy.
And Cody wanted to say thank you to everybody too. Right, Codes? Yep. Look at that wagging tail. That means yes.
Tail wagging.
I said wagging tail. Same thing. Right, Jack? He's very unamused.
Zachary,
You excited?
you happy for us, baby?
Say thank you, everyone. You're amazing.
Thank you. Alright guys, we're going to end the video here. Thanks again so much for everyone who has subscribed to our channel, who likes our videos, and to everyone who leaves comments as well. It all really helps the channel out.
Yeah, we're so grateful. We hit our goal and we're excited, and on to the next goal. And this has been less than 3 months, so thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. It really means a lot to us. And we're headed to Nashville for a week next month.
Woohoo!
And then we're on to our next long-term destination, so stay tuned.
We'll let you know about that shortly.
Yeah.
But thanks again, guys. Appreciate y'all watching this video. And have a great night.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.